Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up UTM tracking links for SEO campaigns in HubSpot step by step clearly. To set up UTM tracking links for your SEO campaigns in HubSpot, begin by accessing your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Marketing tab in the main menu. Select Campaigns from the drop-down. Choose the campaign you want to add UTM parameters to or create a new campaign. Once in the campaign, locate the Assets section. Click on Create Asset to generate your new URL. In the Link Creation tool, input your destination URL. Next, locate the UTM Parameters section. Fill in the campaign source field with the specific source, such as Google or Facebook. In the Campaign Medium field, define how the traffic is coming to your site. Enter your campaign name in the Campaign Name field, ensuring it's descriptive and relevant. For additional tracking, you can add optional parameters like campaign term for paid campaigns or campaign content to differentiate similar ads. Once all fields are filled in, review your UTM link for accuracy. Click the Generate Link button to create your UTM tracking URL. Copy the newly created UTM link for use in your marketing materials. Now, you can apply this UTM link in your SEO campaigns, ensuring you track the effectiveness of your efforts. Lastly, monitor your UTM campaign performance using HubSpot's analytics tools to gain insights into traffic sources. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.